What is zero trust in SaaS security frameworks? Imagine a world where every time you want to access your favorite online service, you have to prove who you are and that your device is safe, no matter where you are. That's the core idea behind zero trust. Instead of trusting anyone inside the network automatically, it treats every user and device as a potential threat until proven otherwise. This approach is especially important for software as a service applications, which are accessed over the internet from many different devices and locations. In traditional security models, once you're inside the network, you're trusted. But with SaaS applications, that trust can be risky because of remote work and mobile devices. Zero trust makes sure that access to sensitive data and applications is tightly controlled. It requires continuous checks of who is trying to get in and whether their device is secure. This way, even if someone gets past the first barrier, they are still monitored during their session. A key part of zero trust is that no one gets full access right away. Instead, users and devices are given only the permissions they need to do their jobs. This is called the principle of least privilege. For example, an employee might access only the files necessary for their role, not everything in the system. This limits potential damage if their account is compromised. Another important element is ongoing monitoring. User behavior is watched for unusual activity, like logging in from a strange location or using an unfamiliar device. If something suspicious happens, additional verification steps are triggered, like multi-factor authentication, which asks for a second proof of identity. Dynamic policies are also part of zero trust. Access decisions are made based on real-time data, such as the user's role, device security, location, and the sensitivity of the data. For instance, if a user tries to access legal documents from an unrecognized device, the system might block access or requiring extra verification. Strong identity and access management tools are essential. Multi-factor authentication, which asks for 2 or more forms of identification, is common. Single sign-on allows users to access multiple applications with one login, reducing password fatigue. Real-time risk assessments help decide if access should be granted or denied based on current conditions. For legal and human resources software, which often contains sensitive personal and organizational data, zero trust is vital. It helps meet data privacy laws by protecting confidential information from unauthorized access. It also supports secure collaboration across remote teams and third-party vendors by enforcing strict controls and ongoing verification. Overall, zero trust shifts the focus from defending a perimeter to protecting each user and resource individually. This makes SaaS environments safer, especially when handling sensitive legal and HR data in today's cloud-based world.